Hello, my name is Tom Whitehead. My website is Cuisine Thoughts, and today, lesson 2, we're going to learn how to make a proper dry martini. First of all, a martini is a gin drink. When people say vodka martini, no such thing. A vodka martini, quote unquote, is called a kangaroo. So when you order a martini is a gin drink. I became interested in martinis reading James Bond as a young boy. Loved it. Then I became interested in martinis when I started drinking them. So anyway, let me show you how to make a great martini. First of all, you need a mixer. This is actually a martini pitcher, which we're going to use. I'm going to fill it up with ice. Then we're going to add a martini, we're going to add some vermouth, but a martini is basically gin and vermouth. And dry martini means less vermouth. A normal, quote unquote, original martini is 2.5 ounces of gin and 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth, in my case, with a twist. So we're going to make a dry martini, and this is the way I like to do it. You put about a capful of vermouth in the shaker. Then, because you have different size martini glasses, and this is a classic glass, I like to measure out my gin into the glass. Yeah, let's put a little more in. So then I put that into my pitcher. And then we stir. Now there's the old adage about shaken, not stirred, another James Bond thing. But what I've discovered with stirring is what the idea behind it is, that you want to gently melt the ice so that the gin gets a little bit diluted. If you try to make a solid, full force gin martini, it'll knock your socks off. So what we're trying to do is dilute it just a touch. Some people stir it for a couple of minutes. I just try to get it nice and cold. 30 seconds, maybe a minute. That should be plenty. The other thing I like to do is I like to have a chilled glass. Now that's a chilled glass. Fish that little guy out. Then I like to put a twist. Now, when you do a lemon and you get a twist off of it, make sure you wash the lemon first. Then you take your handy dandy peeler. And that is your lemon. Now, Simon Hopkinson has a couple of cookbooks, and one I really enjoy has a wonderful quote in it that says, occasionally with a lemon, it'll slip into the mouth as an unwanted tongue. Isn't that cute? I like that. The other one that I like is from Dorothy Parker. I love a martini, 2 at the most, 3 I'm under the table, 4 I'm under the host. Apt. If you've had more than 2 martinis, you know what she's talking about. Anyway, you take this, and I like to squeeze it. Some people rub it around the rim of the glass, and then you put it right in. There's still a little bit of ice in it. Let me get that out. Here we go. Voila, a dry martini. Perfect. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you out. As Julia Child says, bon appetit.